Y'all too grown to be that clingy. What's up, Candy Crew?
How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today we are talking about low maintenance friendships. Now me, honey, see, I know y'all don't know me that well because, you know, we through the computer screen. Like, we friends, but we're friends in each other's heads. You know, we don't really know each other out in the open, out in person. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you something real quick. I am a low maintenance friend. If you think I'm gonna call you every day, I'm not. If you think I'm gonna try to hang out with you every day, every weekend, I'm not. If you think I'm gonna be mad because I called you and you didn't answer, I'm not. Because I am a low maintenance friend and I thrive off of low maintenance friendships. So if you don't know what a low maintenance friend is or low maintenance friendships, it's basically the friend that you don't have to call every day because they and you both understand that you have lives outside of each other and that life happens. And sometimes there's not really anything to talk about anyway, so there's no need to call each other every day. It's the friend who maybe works a lot, maybe moved away, maybe started their own family. So your relationship has changed a little bit, but it doesn't matter because you guys are still important to each other even though you're not glued to the hip. It's the friend who doesn't get mad because y'all haven't speak to each other in a long time, but when you finally do link up, it's like no time passed at all. It's like y'all get right back into the groove of things. That is a low maintenance friendship, and that is what I need. So I think I saw this on the Shade Room. It was like last month or some months ago, but it was of the City Girls, I think. One of them had posted a screenshot of their text messages, and one of the girls was mad because she was like, you didn't tell me good morning today or something. Like, I haven't heard from you today. We talk every day. I haven't heard from you. Where you at? Like, you know, kind of mad or upset or something like that because she hasn't heard from her friend, because she didn't hear from her friend that day. And I'm just like, I wish one of my friends would text me upset talking about I ain't tell them good morning or something. Girl, bye, you was not my man. And I'm not knocking those type of friendships. Well, yes, I kind of am. I am knocking them because y'all too grown to be that clingy. But I'm just saying, like, but it's like, if I had a friend like that, I would drop them in a hot second. Don't do me like that. Like, I would get irritated with you real quick. You'll never hear from me again. Like, I remember a couple years ago, I had a friend like that. Like, she didn't want me talking to anybody else. Like, she just wanted to be stuck to my hip. Like, if I did if I did go out with other friends or hang out with other friends outside of her, like, she would be upset and irritated. And I had to tell her, like, girl, I am not your man. I'm your friend. Don't be trying to put no ball and chain on me. Like, I had to drop her. Like, I had to quit being her friend and just ignore her. Because it's like, do you not understand that people have a life outside of you? Like, we're grown. We have our own lives to deal with. We got our own jobs. We got our own issues going on. Like, I'm not about to sit up on the phone with you every day talking to you. Yeah, that stuff was like cute and cool in middle school and high school. Like, in middle school and high school, definitely middle school, I would talk to my friends every day. Every single day. As soon as we got home from school, we would call each other and talk for hours. Like, yeah, that was the thing to do back then. High school, yeah, we was not as much, but yeah, I would pretty much talk to at least Tia every day. My best friend Tia. I at least talk to her probably every day after school. So now I'm not talking about just being in school, but I mean after school we would call each other. But as life changes, as you get older, you start working, you get into relationships, you start building your own family, having your own kids or stuff like that. Like, life changes and friendships can't really be the same as they were when we were in middle school and high school. Like, I just don't see it. I don't know. I think that's just my personality though, because I'm sure there's a lot of grown people who do have those type of friendships and they still flourish, but I just think me, personality wise, I can't talk to you every day. There's not enough going on in my life that changes in 24-hour increments that I gotta tell you about it the next day. Ain't that much going on. I worked, I came home. Monday I worked and came home. Tuesday I worked and came home. Wednesday I worked and came home. What is there to talk to you about? I ain't did nothing. Like, I don't know. If you are a low maintenance friend, hit me up. We can be low maintenance friends. If you really need, like, some stuff just went down and you need me to talk, or you just want me to come by and hang out with you, I will be there for you. And the same thing, if I need you, I will call you. If I want to go out to eat, I will call you. Like, if I want to do something or if there's something specifically I need to tell you, I will hit you up. But just talking just because, no. And that's not even with friendships. I think I'm just a low maintenance relationship person in general. Like, I'm a low maintenance daughter. I'm gonna be all up under my parents. I don't talk to my parents every day. I'm a low maintenance sister. I don't hit up my siblings, my brothers, my sisters. I don't call them. If it's something I need to tell you, I'll call you. If I want to do something, I'll call you. But other than that, I'm not just about to be sitting on the phone with you. Like, I'm low maintenance all around. And that might be bad to say, but it's the truth. Unless you my man, I'm low maintenance. I really ain't got nothing to say to y'all all day. I will be there for you. Baby, if you need me, I will drop everything and come to your rescue. But don't call me every day just to sit on the phone. Don't do that. I'll get irritated. I'll drop you real quick. Don't do that. But anyway, let me know, what type of friend are you? Are you a low maintenance friend or a high maintenance friend? Do you get irritated like me when people want to be all up under your skin all the time? Or do you like that kind of thing? Do you like having the friendships where you talk every day and go out every week and all that stuff? Because there's nothing wrong with it. It's just the way my personality is set up. I can't do it. I'll be like, can we do once a month? But not every day. Not every weekend. Once a month. But anyway, y'all, that's all I got. I ain't got no more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care. And I'll see you next time. Bye.